Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at expansion of algebra. Okay, in a previous video we looked at factorization of algebra and we also looked at factorization by grouping. Expansion of algebra is actually the opposite of factorization. Expansion of algebra in its simplest term is removing bracket from an algebra. So while factorization is introduction of bracket, expansion of algebra is the removal of bracket. For us to expand an algebra, we only need to follow two simple steps. The first one, multiply the value outside the bracket with the values inside the bracket, or the values in one bracket with the values in the second bracket. Okay, before we go further, let's look at the two scenarios. In this situation, we have a value outside the bracket, which is 4a, and we have values inside the bracket, which represents this first phase to this point. And also in C, we have two brackets here, this first bracket and this second bracket. That is why we said or the values in one bracket with the values in the second bracket. Okay, so these are two different scenarios. The second step is simplify the resultant algebra if you have values with like terms. Okay, so let's solve these three examples we have here. We are told to expand the following algebra. A, 4a into 3 plus 2b. So let's look at the step. Multiply the value outside the bracket with the values inside the bracket. So the value outside the bracket is 4a. The values inside the bracket is 3 and 2b, or plus 3 and plus 2b. So let's multiply. 4 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 12. And a multiplied by, there's no alphabet here, so we just bring down a. Remember, there's a positive sign here and there's a positive sign here. Plus multiplied by plus will also give us an invisible plus. Okay. Next, plus multiplied by plus will give us plus. Always multiply the signs first. 4 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 8. And then a multiplied by b is going to give us ab. Very simple. So this is the first example. Second example, we have 3xy into 4x minus 4y. Okay, so this also involves multiplying the value outside the bracket by the values inside the bracket. So we first multiply the signs. There's an invisible plus sign here. There's an invisible plus sign here. So plus multiplied by plus will give you an invisible plus sign since it is the first value we want to write here. 3 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 12. X multiplied by x is going to give us x squared. And then y we brought down. Okay. Next, we are done with this, so we move to this one. Plus multiplied by minus is going to give us minus. 3 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 12. X multiplied by, we don't have x here, so we write x. Y multiplied by y is going to give us y squared. So this is a simple way of expanding this algebra. Let's look at the third one. Okay, we have 5y plus 6 into 2 plus 3x. Okay, so we said multiply the values in one bracket with the values in the second bracket. So this value is going to multiply these two values, and then this value is going to multiply these two values. Okay, so let's start with 5y. 5 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 5. It's going to give us 10, sorry. And then y multiplied by, there's no alphabet here, so it's going to give us y. 5 plus 5 multiplied by plus 3 is going to give us plus 15. And then y multiplied by x is going to give us yx, or preferably xy. So we have xy. So we have used 5y to multiply the values here. Now we're going to use plus 6 to multiply the values here. Plus multiplied by plus is going to give us plus. 6 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 12. So we are done with 2. We move to plus 3x. Plus multiplied by plus is going to give us plus. 6 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 18. And then we don't have any alphabet here, so we bring x down. Okay, so this becomes the answer to this simple question. So if you understood the topic, I'd like you to do this classwork. Okay, so expand 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, I'd like to see your answer to this simple question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.